Good morning all students. Now in previous lecture we have already completed chapter 12, that is Heron's formula. Okay, so in today lecture of class 9 we will discuss chapter 13 is the surface area and volumes. How we will find out the surface areas and volume of solid. So firstly we will discuss what is the basic difference between a plane figure and a solid figure. So firstly first topic क्या discuss करेंगे students? Basic difference between a plane figure and a solid figure. So firstly we will discuss plane figure. So plane figure, all two-dimensional figures are known as plane figure. All 2D figures are known as plane figure. So what are the characteristics of plane figure? They are having only area but not have volume. Okay, so first one, having only area, not have volume. Plane figure only have area but not have volume. Anyone you heard that find out the volume of circle? आपने कभी सुना है find out the volume of rectangle? Rectangle का volume calculate करो, circle का volume calculate करो. You never heard? So plane figures are having area but not have volume. Second one is that in plane figures only length and breadth are present. Third one, examples. Example of plane figure is the triangle, all types of quadrilateral, circle, etc. These are all are the two-dimensional objects. Understand? So plane figure is all two-dimensional figures are known as plane figure. Plane figures having area but not have volume. In plane figure only length and breadth are present. These are the example. Okay. Now next we will discuss what are the solid figures. Solid figures. Solid figure meaning is that all three-dimensional figures are known as solid figure. Three-dimensional figure meaning is that they are having volume also. And volume क्या होता है? Total space occupied by that object. वो object है वो कितना space occupy कर रहा है? That is known as the volume. So solid figure, all three-dimensional objects are solid figure. Next, solid figure have area as well as volume. In solid figure, we can calculate area also and we can calculate volume also. Meaning is that they occupy space also. Third is that solid figures having length, breadth and height. Okay, solid figures are having length also, breadth also and height also. Now we will discuss examples. cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, hemisphere, etc. Pyramid, prism. These all are solid figures. So understand what is the basic difference between the plane figure and the solid figure. In plane figure not have volume, but in solid figure we can calculate volume also. All two-dimensional figures are plane figure and all three-dimensional figures are the solid figure. Understand? Now we will come on your topic. That first one is the cuboid. So firstly we will discuss the general information of the cuboid. So that students, that you already studied in 8th class also about the cuboid. A cuboid have 6 faces, 12 edges. क्यूबॉइड में नंबर ऑफ फेसेस क्या होती है? 6 फेसेस होती है एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ एजेस, एजेस मीनिंग स्टूडेंट्स साइड्स, साइड्स क्या होती है आपकी? 12 साइड्स होती है. जनरली इफ वी विल डिस्कस दैट डस्टर, duster is the example of the cuboid. So in that duster how many faces are present? 1, back 2, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in cuboid total number of faces are 6 faces. Now we will count edges. So in cuboid how many edges are present? 12 edges. Count karo 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 back 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So in cuboid 6 faces are present and 12 edges are present. So number of faces is equals to 6 and number of edges is equals to 12. Edges means sides. Now next, number of faces are 6 and we know also that in cuboid each face looks like a rectangle. In cuboid each face looks like a rectangle. So in cuboid how many rectangles are present? In cuboid 6 rectangles are present. So how we will find out the total surface area of the cuboid? Firstly we will find out the area of all 6 rectangles, then add, then we will get the total surface area of the cuboid. Okay, so firstly we will find out the total surface area of the cuboid, then how we will calculate the total surface area of the cuboid. Here A, B, C, D. P, Q, R, S. Now we will make here cuboid. So firstly here that is the length of the cuboid, that is the breadth of the cuboid and that is the height of the cuboid. So firstly here we will write down the all 6 faces name. In we know in cuboid 6 faces are present. So first work क्या है? We will write down the all 6 faces. So here faces are 6 faces. First is A, B, R, S. Second is A, S, P, D. Third one is R, Q, C, B. R, Q, C, B. Fourth is that P, Q, R, S. Fifth one is that P, D, C, Q. and sixth one is that AB. So now we will calculate here area of all 6 faces, then we will add, then we will get the area of the cuboid. Okay, so first we will calculate area of faces ABRS. ABRS is a rectangle because we know in cuboid each face looks like a rectangle. So ABRS is the rectangle. L length is L and breadth is B. So what is the area? L into B. That is the area of the cuboid face which is present in the bottom. ये किसका है? Bottom face का area है. Second is area of second faces is ASPD. ASPD. In ASPD, that is the height and that one is the breadth, right? ये इसकी height है और ये breadth है. So what is the area of that rectangle? H into B. Rectangle है, rectangle का area क्या होता है? Length into breadth. Length is H, breadth is B. So H into B. Third face is area of RQCB. RQCB. For RQCB, just opposite face है. H is that, B is that. Again, H into B. Next face, area of PQRS. What is the area of PQRS? PQRS. Length is L and that is H. So L multiplied by H. Next faces is PDCQ. Area of PDCQ. What is the area of PDCQ? देखो PDCQ कहाँ पे है? PDCQ. B and that is the L. So it will come L into B. That L into B is the area of the top faces. जो L into B आप area है वो किस faces का है? Top face का. So area of bottom face is also L into B and area of top face is also L into B. Now area of last faces is ABCD. So area of last face ABCD, that is H and that is L, which will come L into. Now here we find the area of all 6 rectangular faces. So how we will calculate the total surface area of the cuboid? Now total surface area of cuboid, which is equals to area of ABRS plus ASPD plus RQCB plus PQRS plus PDCQ plus all face area we will add. Now write it down. LB plus HB, HB, LH, LB and LH. LB and LB, 2LB. BH, BH, 2BH. HL, HL, 2HL. So that will come 2LB plus BH plus HL. That is the TSA of the cuboid, which will come either in centimeter square or in meter square. So understand, students? So firstly we know that in cuboid how many faces are present. We know that in cuboid 6 faces are present and each face in cuboid looks like a rectangle. Each face किसकी तरह visible होती है? Rectangle की तरह. So we will find out the area of each face using formula length into breadth. All 6 faces का area calculate कर लोगे. Then after we will add all, then which will give the total surface area of the cuboid. Okay. Now question is that next, if we will find out the area in that वी वांट टू डू व्हाइट वॉश, आपको क्या करवाना, व्हाइट वॉश करवाना और कलर करवाना रूम में. सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया वेयर वी विल डू पेंट. टोटल सरफेस एरिया स्टूडेंट्स कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे, जहां पे आपको पेंट करवाना है. सो पेंट कितने फेसेस पे होता है, 4 वॉल्स एंड 1 इज सीलिंग, इन्हीं पे होगा. तो क्या करोगे, इस टोटल सरफेस एरिया में से जो बॉटम का एरिया है उसको क्या करना है, माइनस करना है. सो हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट दैट वन. बॉटम का एरिया क्या था आपका, L इंटू बी. सो टोटल सरफेस एरिया में से बॉटम का क्या करोगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे. सो नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला इज एरिया ऑफ 5 वॉल्स, 5 फेसेस, और वॉल्स नो कैलकुलेट करके क्या राइट कर दो, 5 faces where we do whitewash or paint. How we will calculate total surface area minus L into B, which will give the area of 5 faces where we will do color or where we will do whitewash. Understand? So that value will come 2LB plus BH plus HL minus L into. Now next, how we will calculate the area of 4 walls. आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है स्टूडेंट्स, एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स कैलकुलेट करना है. एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स that is known as lateral surface area also. Okay, lateral surface area of the cuboid also known as lateral surface area of cuboid. So how we will calculate area of the 4 walls students. 4 walls में क्या करना है, जो टोटल सरफेस एरिया है उसमें से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, उसके टॉप पार्ट का एरिया भी सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, उसके बॉटम पार्ट का भी एरिया सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स, TSA minus 2LB, right? Because what is the area of the bottom face, L into B. What is the area of the top face, L into B, right? Then we will subtract. So that will come 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL minus 2LB. 2LB cancel. From here 2H common, then L plus B. That is the area of 4 walls or lateral surface area of the cuboid. Understand students? So how we will calculate the area of 4 walls? क्या करना आपको, टोटल सरफेस एरिया में से टॉप फेस का एरिया और बॉटम फेस का एरिया को क्या करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना. देन यू विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ 4 walls. Understand? Now next, in cuboid what is the maximum distance between two vertex. Cuboid में maximum, suppose we want to find out the distance between S to Q. We want to find out the distance between S to Q. आपको क्या करना है, S to Q डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करनी है. सो हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट द डिस्टेंस S to Q, that is known as the maximum distance between two vertex, that is referred as the length of diagonal. Okay, so अगर questions में है find the maximum distance between two vertex in a cuboid, so that what we will find out, length of diagonal. Okay, so next is how we will find out the length of the diagonal. So next, length of diagonal, that is known as also maximum distance between two vertex, that is known as length of diagonal. So how we will calculate length of diagonal, formula is given under root L square plus B square plus H square, that will come either in centimeter or meter. Okay, that is known as the maximum distance between two vertex or length of a diagonal in the cuboid. Understand? So that is the how we will find out the TSA of cuboid, how we will find out the area of 5 walls where we want to do pent, how we will find out the length of diagonal and area of 4 walls. Okay. Now next we will discuss about cube. Okay. So in cube and cuboid basic difference क्या है? In cube all faces looks like a square. So second one is cube. All 6 faces looks like a square. So easily we can calculate area. PQRS so all faces looks like a square, so all faces are AA. So firstly how we will find out the TSA of cube. आपको TSA of cube calculate करना है. So how we will calculate the TSA of cube, that is 6 multiplied by A square. Second, area of 5 faces, 5 walls or area of 5 faces. So how we will calculate area of 5 faces? 5 into A square. Next is area of 4 walls, that is known as 4 multiplied by A square. And last is the length of diagonal, length of diagonal. So how we will calculate the length of diagonal? In cuboid, the length of a diagonal is given by under root L square plus B square plus H square is given. So now in cube, length, breadth and height all are equal. So how we will calculate L square also A square, B square also A square and H square also. So length of diagonal is 3 A square, or that can be under root 3 multiply A, which will come in meter over centimeter, and area we know which will come in either meter square or centimeter square. Understand? So that is the TSA of cube, area of 5 faces, area of 4 walls, length of diagonal. Now next you heard about hectare. So hectare is the unit of the area. Important point. Hectare is a unit of area, and we know that 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 मीटर स्क्वायर. 1 हेक्टेयर की वैल्यू किसके इक्वल होती है? 10,000 मीटर स्क्वायर के इक्वल. मीनिंग इज दैट इफ वी वांट टू कन्वर्ट हेक्टेयर इनटू मीटर स्क्वायर, हेक्टेयर को किसमें कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो आप? मीटर स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो. देन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय द 10,000. एंड इफ वी वांट टू कन्वर्ट मीटर स्क्वायर इनटू हेक्टेयर, मीटर स्क्वायर को किसमें कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो? हेक्टेयर में. देन डिवाइड बाय द 10,000. हेक्टेयर कन्वर्ट इनटू मीटर स्क्वायर, देन multiply by the 10,000, and hectare meter square convert into hectare, then divide by the 10,000. Some more units. We know that 1 millimeter is equals to 10 centimeter and is equals to how many meter? इससे मीनिंग क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? इफ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट मिलीमीटर कन्वर्ट इनटू सेंटीमीटर, आप क्या कर रहे हो? मिलीमीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो. मिलीमीटर कन्वर्ट इन सॉरी 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 मिलीमीटर. 1 सेंटीमीटर किसके इक्वल होगा? 10 मिलीमीटर के इक्वल होगा. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट सेंटीमीटर कन्वर्ट इनटू मिलीमीटर, आप सेंटीमीटर को किस में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो, मिलीमीटर में, देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय द 10. इट्स रिवर्स प्रोसीजर. इफ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट मिलीमीटर इनटू सेंटीमीटर, देन डिवाइड बाय द 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 10 मिलीमीटर. सेंटीमीटर को मिलीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो, मल्टीप्लाई बाय द 10. मिलीमीटर कन्वर्ट इनटू सेंटीमीटर, देन डिवाइड बाय द 10. नेक्स्ट, हाउ 1 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू हाउ मेनी मिलीमीटर. 1 मीटर को मिलीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, सो 1 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 100 सेंटीमीटर एंड 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10, दैट इज द 1000 millimeter. So 1 meter is equals to how many millimeter? 1000 millimeter. Meaning is that if we want to convert meter into millimeter, multiply by the 1000, and millimeter convert into meter, then divide by the 1000. Okay? आपको क्या करना है स्टूडेंट, मीटर को मिलीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय द 1000. millimeter convert into meter, then divide by the 1000. Okay, so before finding, and one more units, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Kilometer convert into meter, multiply 1000, and meter convert into kilometer, divide by the 1000. Understand? So before finding out the area in cuboid anyone, firstly you will convert the given dimension in same units. Length है, breadth है या height है, all three you will convert in the same unit. either सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, और मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, और मिलीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. फर्स्ट वर्क क्या है आपका, उनको सेम यूनिट्स में कन्वर्ट करना. Understand? Okay, now question is that if in that room external dimensions are given to you and width is also given to you, then how we will find out the internal dimension. आपको किसी भी क्यूबॉइड की एक्सटर्नल डायमेंशन गिवन है, width given है, then how we will find out its internal dimension. So students, how we will find out its internal dimension? कैसे find out करोगे internal dimension? For that, firstly we will find out the internal length, internal breadth and internal height. अब वो internal length कैसे calculate करोगे? How you will calculate the internal breadth and how you will calculate the internal height. Okay, that we will discuss in next lecture. Okay, so in today lecture we discuss that how we find out the TSA of cuboid, area of 5 walls of the cuboid, 4 walls of the cuboid, and what is the maximum distance between two vertex. Same procedure for cube also, and unit conversion. Hectare is the unit of area. 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square, meaning हेक्टेयर को मीटर स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट करना है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय द 10,000. मीटर स्क्वायर कन्वर्ट इनटू हेक्टेयर, देन डिवाइड बाय द 10,000. In next lecture, lecture 2, we will discuss some examples based on cube and cuboid. Thank you.